Welcome to Kitty Unfiltered. My name is Kitty, and this is the first episode of Tutorialista, where someone with no makeup experience, moi, takes makeup tutorials and tries to figure out if they can actually do makeup based on the instruction and tutorials. You know, like most of us who are watching YouTube thinking if we watch all these videos of pretty people, we will somehow magically become pretty ourselves. So that's what we're gonna try. Here we go. Yes, I realize this is an uncomfortably close view of my face, especially for not having any makeup on already. But I am not good at this, so I have to do my eyeshadow first because I would end up removing half of the base makeup off of my face trying to fix my eyeshadow. So it's better to just do the eyeshadow first, and then you can just suffer through looking at me like this. I mean, I suffer through looking at me like this all day, every day. You can handle it for a couple minutes. Today we're going to be starting off with this look called Hottie Toddy. It's not exactly appropriate for the outfit that I'm going to be wearing in the play this weekend, but today's just a tech rehearsal, so I will just let her know that no, I was just playing with makeup. This isn't exactly the finished look I'm going for. She'll be fine with it. She's seen me in full makeup before. She knows what I can do, or what I try to pretend I can do that looks fine from a distance. I picked it because I think it's going to be the easiest, and I'm not sure how much time this is going to take since I've never recorded anything like this before, so I figure I'll pick the easy one. That way I have plenty of time to make mistakes and mess up. And if all else fails, I'll just go to tech rehearsal with a bare face, because again, it's not going to bother them too much. See, I have everything here I think I need, so I should not have to get up and do anything once the timer starts. Oh! I have primed my eyes with the Urban Decay anti-aging eye primer. I was going to use a Too Faced primer, but apparently when I did my last declutter, I got rid of all the Too Faced ones except for the glitter glue, because I can't find it unless I've got it out, used it somewhere, and then put it away somewhere else, which I do that a lot because I am so disorganized, because I live in a place the size of a shoebox, and it's impossible to organize in a mansion size worth of stuff into a shoebox size apartment. It just doesn't work. But yeah, I think I have everything here, so let's hit the stopwatch and get started. Okay, it says to apply powdered sugar from crease bone to brow bone. Where I may get into trouble with this, oh, and I just realized something I forgot. I forgot my little cloth to change out the color on my brushes. Reset. Alright, and now back to what I was talking about. I did not set my eyeshadow base, so I don't know how this is going to blend. I mean, I let the primer dry for a little bit. I didn't just go straight in with shadow, so it's had a chance to dry down some. Next is blend Oh Snap into crease. Oh, it's a sparkly color. My eyelid skin is so saggy, I generally kind of have to anchor the skin in one place. But since I have to hold a mirror up because I don't really have a setup, that's going to be hard to do. Trying to do this in your viewfinder is ridiculous, but I needed that second there with my other hand, so that way I didn't have a little gap where my creepy old lady skin was not getting product because it wasn't smoothed out. This one's going to take longer because I'm kind of a slap and dab person, but I slapped a little too much on the other one. I mean, don't get me wrong, if I have 2 hours to do my makeup, I will take 2 hours to do my makeup just because I enjoy the process. It's kind of relaxing and therapeutic and the closest thing I'll ever be to being an actual artist. But again, this stuff is, for one, not being preset, and two, having creepy old lady lids. It is blending rather nicely. Again, this eye's still darker, but I can't, it's just a tech rehearsal. Yeah, this one definitely looks, it's more faded in here, it looks more like the picture. This one's kind of got more of a line right there, but it's so heavy. I mean, I can go in with a clean brush and try to take part of it off, but I'm already at 5 minutes and I've only got 2 colors on, so that's just unacceptable, people. That's unacceptable. So let's clean that off. I don't know why I'm looking down here like the powdered sugar color is on the table. It is in my hand, in the palette, in the mirror I'm using. So powdered sugar a little over this. It helped it a little, but now it's like I have on 3 colors because it kind of changed the color of Oh Snap a little when I put the powdered sugar. Instead of just blending it out, you know, like this side's kind of more just blending it out. This side actually almost kind of made another color. So, yeah. We're here to learn. That's why we do this. Next. Next is smoke hot toddy onto outer crease and smudge into lower lash line. So right now we're just going to smoke hot toddy into outer crease, and we won't worry about smudging on lash line until later. Let's look at the picture. Okay, so here's how it's, oh, which step is this? Step 3. Oh my, see when I look at step 2 up here, yeah, my eye's a lot darker than that. I was looking at the eye over here, but when you look at step 2, they went a lot lighter than I did. Oopsie. Okay, so this is step 3. This is what I'm supposed to be doing with that. So, look at that. Can you see that on there? That just looks like straight glitter. Wow. Yeah, I'm just, ooh, okay. I'm definitely gonna have to kind of pack it and then blend. Oh yeah, this is just a packing one. There's no blending with this color. You just pack it and hope you can buff the edge and not enough that it doesn't look stupid. Well, at least my sun's come back a bit for this part, so I'm nice and sparkly. Oh, I just felt it. It fell on my, I could feel it fall on my lip. It was that chunky, and I am that bad at this that I felt it go straight from my eye onto my lip. Now my cheek itches and I want to scratch and sneeze. Oh, okay, well that's just bad. That's nothing like what I'm supposed to be at right now. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. I'm dying a little inside. Okay, so I tapped off a lot more. Let's try left eye. Left eye's the good eye. Ooh, Left Eye Lopez, I miss her. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. Rest in peace, Left Eye. I feel like my zoom is getting further away. Like I have to keep leaning in more and more to get up in there. It's like even my camera is insulted by my face at this point and is trying to get as far away as possible. Anyway, so we're on the third step, 3 colors. I'm at 12 minutes, 12 and a half, but you can probably take away part of that for talking. We'll say it's taken me 10 minutes to get this far. In reality, probably would have taken me 3. I obviously wasted a lot of time trying to be precise that I didn't need to waste because this is just not, it's just not. We're just going with this not. Okay, press spiced rum onto lid. That should be able to do. And I don't know if I need to wet it. I don't know if I need to put concealer down first. This doesn't say any of those things, so it looks more like it's from the center of the lid out. Ooh, it looks dark in the pan. To go lighter on the lid, I don't know. This thing is confusing me. Oh, it's little. I'm not wanting to pick up. It's alright, knowing my luck though, I probably shouldn't go in too hard at first. Okay, we're gonna have to dig in a little to get past this first layer. Again, very glittery. I'm feeling it fall and land on my lip, and I don't have big lips, so the fact that it's landing on my lips is kind of amazing. Anyway, now I'm supposed to highlight my inner corner with Frostbite Me. Well, they definitely got the bite me part right. This is basically a white pearly glitter. Just remember, Too Faced, this shows up on your Instagram account as how not to do makeup. Just remember, this is the tutorial you gave me. Oh my, that is bad. That is bad, 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 bad. Cause yeah, that's not good. It's not sticking. And I know, it's probably not the makeup's fault because I suck at this. Anyway, we're at how much time? We're at 18 minutes and 30 seconds. And I am just stopping it there. I know that's a lot more. Like I said, it probably would have taken me maybe 10 minutes, 11 minutes altogether if I'd gone through it a couple times and wasn't talking to the camera and trying to figure out angles and all of that stuff. But yeah, this just looks like a weird sparkly bruise. That's what the picture looks like. So obviously you see up in here how this was way more sparkly and stuff. Obviously they were probably using some sort of like glitter glue or, you know, using like spraying the brush and foiling it, something like that. So this is some sort of version of it. It's not pretty. I'm going to finish my makeup and come back and see how it looks with everything together. But, you know, obviously for the inaugural flagship initial whatever of Tutorialista, I sucked. But again, I did see things that weren't in the actual list of instructions themselves that I would have done differently. like I said, trying to like foil it or add concealer, because basically it only says apply powdered sugar from crease to brow bone, blend Oh Snap into crease, smoke Hot Toddy into outer crease and smudge into lower lash line, which I will do when I finish my makeup, press Spice Rum onto lid, and highlight inner corner with Frostbite Me. So obviously there were like places I could have used my finger to press stuff on. I could have sprayed my brush to do the highlight inner corner. I could have used a glitter glue for anything from the second color, or basically the third color on. No, the second color was kind of sparkly. The last couple ones were basically just glitter. So I could have pretty much glitter glued my whole eye and done it that way. So as for doing it exactly, I mean, it's probably, if I would have taken actual time with it, like I was doing the look myself, and just use those colors in those areas, even without the spraying and like maybe doing a cut crease or something, I could have done a better job. But the whole purpose of the Tutorialista thing is taking the skills you have and in a reasonable amount of time. I mean, 20 minutes or 18 minutes for an eye look, I think, is plenty enough to where it should look something decent when you're only using 5 colors and you're not using any advanced techniques. So this is what I got. You know, you guys try it. Comment below, share me some pictures, something. Let me know how it worked for you all. Okay, just wanted to jump back on here real quick and show this. Okay, it's kind of cleaned up. I took some Q-tips and some, what is this? Cornflower water, whatever. It's supposed to be sensitive for your eye skin. And I tried to clean up. I ended up having to clean up clear down in here. And look at these. This is just from one eye, and that's just part of it. And then here's the other 2 ends of the Q-tips with them dry. So I used a towel and Q-tips and all of that fallout cleanup for one eye for me. So this is why I always do my eyeshadow first. If you're not foiling your shadows or using some sort of glitter glue, or at least the cut crease with the concealer, you can expect a lot of fall down from these shadows. It's not bad, I mean, for the kind of shadows they are, but if you're someone who hates that, you are not going to like this palette, or at least you're not gonna like half the colors in this palette. Okay, so here it is finished. I went ahead and smudged whatever that color was. Give me a second. The color that's pretty much all glitter. Yeah, this step 3 was smoke Hot Toddy onto outer crease and smudge into lower lash line. So I did that. It's weird smudging a glitter into your lower lash line, and then I reapplied a little bit of the Frostbite Me there. So all I did was put on mascara and brush a little brow gel through my brows. I didn't put on any additional eyeliner or anything because that was not in the instructions. So all I did was throw on some mascara and call it good. So this is the finished look. Again, like I said, could do better with just some minor alterations in techniques. But for the first time through doing it exactly off the cards, this is what that tutorial looked like. So thank you all for checking it out. Thank you all for sticking with me through this. Hope you try some little tutorials installed with your packages and stuff too. Let me know in the comments how that goes. Thanks for stopping by. Bye!